Fun with colors!
Hi everyone, let's learn how to draw a school bus. Do you love drawing and coloring? Let's draw the wheels on the bus, the round and round wheels. This is the door of the bus, from where we can enter inside the bus when the door opens. Do you like your school bus? This is a big school bus. We will draw and then color it with so many colors. Let's draw the favorite part of the bus, the windows. Let's draw the kids looking outside from the window. The school bus is ready. Let's color. Let's learn colors now with fun with colors. Okay, who can tell me which color is this? Correct! This is red color. To go school every day, we should get up early in the morning. We should quickly brush our teeth, do the shower, and then get dressed in the school dress. When we go to the school bus and see our friends, we should wish them good morning. Can you guess this color? Yes, it is yellow color. What is your favorite color? Let's color the windows with yellow color. Now who can tell me which color is this? Yes, it is blue color. I love my school bus so much. Which color is this? Yes, this is green color. Let's color the door of the bus with green color. This is purple color. Tell me, which color is this? Yes, that's true. It is orange color. Let's color the face of the kids with pink color. Let's put brown color in the hair. This looks so colorful. I like it. The school bus is ready to go. Vroom, vroom, vroom. For more drawing and coloring videos, subscribe to the channel and like the video. We will see you in our next video soon. Bye-bye.